welcome to our channel. In this video I will give you detailed report on CLC blocks. In this video we'll discuss introduction and raw materials used for the manufacturing process and also manufacturing process. Next, classification based on density, sizes of block available in the market and applications, advantages, disadvantages, and finally reference code books. Introduction. Cellular concrete is also known as low density cellular concrete. Cellular concrete is the introduction of air into the concrete mixture, and once it hardens makes the concrete more durable and with less cracking and also shrinkage and weather resistant. And the density ranges from 400 to 1600 kg per meter cube. Raw materials we use: cement, fly ash, foaming agent and water. And for 1 cubic meter of ALC concrete of density 850 kg per meter cube, you require water of 200 liters and fly ash of 500 kg and cement 5 bags of 53 grade. Next, foaming agent plus water. Foaming agent 1.2 kg and water of 30 liters mixed together. These are added into a foaming generator. Then this foam is mixed into the concrete mixture. Manufacturing of CLC blocks. In these equipments we use mixture, control panel, load indicator, foam generator. This is the foam generator and air compressor. Next, belt conveyor and trolleys and also molds. Okay. Manufacturing process. Formed concrete typically consists of cement, fly ash, sand and water, and many of players recommend pure cement and water with foaming agent for very light mixtures. That's why we don't prefer sand regularly. Okay. This slurry is further mixed with a synthetic aerated foam in the concrete mixing plant. The foam is created using foaming agent, mixed with water and air from a generator. This formed concrete may be poured into a molds or directly into structural elements. These are molds. This requires at least 24 hours to solidify. After solidification, the molds are removed, then transferred to the open area for curing, and it is cured for at least 15 days to strengthen. Classification based on density of concrete. CLC are of 3 types: high density cellular concrete, then medium density cellular concrete, light density cellular concrete. High density cellular concrete density ranges from 1200 to 1800 kg per meter cube. These are used especially in the load bearing brickwork. Medium density ranges from 800 kg per meter cube to 1000 kg per meter cube, and these are preferred in non-load bearing brickwork. Light density cellular concrete is 400 to 600 kg per meter cube. These are resistant against fire accidents, termite and moisture absorbent. Cost and sizes. Cost of CLC block is around 1900 rupees per cubic meter, and based on different sizes in CLC, rates per block varies. You can see the size is 600 by 200 by 100 mm. From the calculation to 1 meter cube, we get number of blocks as 83, and rate of each block means divide 1900 by 83, you will get 22.89. In this way, rate varies for the sizes of the block. If you don't know how to calculate number of blocks per cubic meter, you can watch our recent video. I will give you in the I button, you can see there. And next, applications. These lightweight formed concrete blocks are mainly used to build partition walls. The lightweight nature of blocks means they impose a minimum loading on the building. Formed concrete blocks also provide good thermal insulation and sound insulation. Advantages: lightweight, fire resistant, thermal insulation, environmental friendly. Next, cost efficient. Disadvantages are, as compared to AAC blocks, CLC have less strength for same density of material. The size and strength of CLC depends on batching and curing conditions at the plant and not accurate for all the blocks. Codebooks are ASTM C869, ASTM C769, ASTM C495. These are released by American Society for Testing Materials. You can refer there. If you have any doubts, please comment in the below section and I will clarify your doubts. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next video.